Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make vegetarian tom yum paste. To begin, gather your fresh ingredients. You will need aromatic essentials like galangal, lemongrass, kaffir lime leaves, and fresh chilies. For the base, have shallots, garlic, and a neutral cooking oil ready. Don't forget tamarind paste and mushroom powder. These are key for that rich, savory umami flavor in your paste. Now, let's prepare our aromatics. Thinly slice your galangal and lemongrass. This helps them blend smoothly. Next, roughly chop the shallots, garlic, and fresh red chilies. For the kaffir lime leaves, simply remove the tough central stems and tear the leaves into smaller pieces. This preparation ensures all the flavors are ready to be released during the blending process. It's time to blend your paste. Place all the prepared aromatics into a food processor. Add your tamarind paste and mushroom powder, along with a small amount of neutral oil. Process everything until it forms a smooth, consistent paste. If the mixture seems too dry, add a little more oil, 1 teaspoon at a time, until you reach the desired texture. This step creates the heart of your tom yum flavor. For the final step, gently sauté your blended paste in a pan with a little oil over medium-low heat for about 10 minutes. Cook it until it becomes fragrant and slightly darker, which helps to deepen and meld all the flavors. Once cooled, transfer your homemade vegetarian tom yum paste to an airtight container. It will keep fresh in the refrigerator for up to 2 weeks, ready for your next delicious meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.